Welcome to our journey to the foothills of the mighty Himalayas, where verdant greenery carpets the landscape and the aroma of tea hangs heavy in the air. This is Jalpaiguri, a hidden gem in West Bengal, India. Our destination is more than just a city. It's a gateway to the enchanting northeastern states of India, teeming with life and breathtaking beauty. Known for its lush tea gardens, proximity to Darjeeling and rich wildlife, Jalpaiguri beckons us to explore its secrets. As we venture into the heart of Jalpaiguri, we find ourselves surrounded by a sea of emerald green, a sight that captivates the senses and soothes the soul. The tranquility of this place is almost palpable, inviting us to pause and take in the beauty. These are the tea gardens, vast plantations that stretch as far as the eye can see, their rolling hills blanketed in a vibrant tapestry of tea bushes. Each hill, each row tells a story of dedication and hard work. The air here is heavy with the aroma of tea, a sweet and earthy fragrance that speaks of long traditions and the dedication of generations of tea pluckers. Their hands, skilled and swift, move with a rhythm honed over centuries. These gardens are not merely places of industry, they are living, breathing ecosystems, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. The biodiversity here is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. As we walk among the neatly pruned rows of tea bushes, we might spot a family of deer grazing peacefully, or a flash of vibrant plumage as a kingfisher dives for its catch in a nearby stream. These moments of natural beauty are a daily occurrence here. The tea gardens of Jalpaiguri are a testament to the harmonious relationship between man and nature, a place where the pursuit of livelihood has given rise to a landscape of extraordinary beauty. The balance achieved here is delicate yet enduring. The early morning mist that often blankets these hills adds an ethereal quality, transforming the familiar into something magical, a scene straight out of a painter's dream. The mist, combined with the lush greenery, creates a surreal and enchanting atmosphere. The lifeblood of these gardens is the tea plant itself, Camellia sinensis, its delicate leaves carefully plucked by hand, each one destined to contribute to the unique flavor of Jalpaiguri's renowned tea. The meticulous care taken in each step ensures the highest quality. The process of transforming these leaves into the beverage we know and love is a fascinating journey in itself, one that we will witness firsthand as we delve deeper into the world of Jalpaiguri's tea culture. From the fields to the factory, each stage is a marvel of tradition and innovation. From the moment the sun rises, casting its golden rays upon the dew-kissed leaves, to the rhythmic plucking of the tea workers, a symphony of sights and sounds unfolds in the tea gardens. This daily routine is a dance of nature and human effort, creating a melody that resonates through the hills. Leaving behind the tranquil beauty of the tea gardens, we journey deeper into the wilds of Jalpaiguri, where the landscape transforms into a haven for some of India's most iconic creatures. This region, blessed with an abundance of rivers and dense forests, plays host to an astonishing array of wildlife, their calls echoing through the trees, a reminder that we are merely visitors in their domain. Our first stop takes us to the Jalpaiguri National Park, a vast expanse of grassland and riverine forests, home to a creature that embodies both power and grace, the Indian one-horned rhinoceros. These magnificent animals, once on the brink of extinction, now roam freely in this protected haven. We watch in awe as they graze on the grasslands, their massive forms silhouetted against the setting sun, a testament to the success of conservation efforts. But Jalpaiguri is more than just a rhino sanctuary. It's a tapestry of life, a symphony of sounds and scents that awaken our senses. Herds of elephants lumber through the undergrowth, their trumpeting calls echoing through the trees, while playful langurs swing from branch to branch, their chattering adding to the chorus of the wild. Our cameras capture the vibrant plumage of exotic birds, from the majestic peacock displaying its iridescent feathers to the kingfishers, their emerald backs a flash of color as they dive for their prey. The air buzzes with the hum of insects, a reminder of the intricate web of life that thrives in this protected sanctuary. Our journey then takes us to the Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, a dense forest nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas. Here the air is cool and crisp, the scent of pine needles filling our lungs as we venture deeper into its embrace. The sanctuary is a haven for the elusive Bengal tiger, its presence felt in the rustle of leaves and the alarm calls of deer. The Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary is not just a refuge for tigers, but a vibrant ecosystem where every creature plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Chapter 3. The Teesta River Liquid Lifeline of Jalpaiguri. Emerging from the depths of the verdant forests, we encounter a new force of nature, a lifeblood that courses through the heart of Jalpaiguri, the Teesta River. This river is not just a geographical feature, it is the very essence of life for the region. Born from the icy glaciers of the Himalayas, the Teesta carves its way through the landscape, its waters a shimmering ribbon of turquoise against the emerald green backdrop. The river's journey from the mountains to the plains is a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's artistry. The roar of the river fills the air as we approach its banks, a testament to its power and the vital role it plays in the lives of the people who live along its shores. The sound is both a lullaby and a call to action for the communities that depend on it. For centuries, the Teesta has been a source of sustenance, irrigation and transportation, its waters nurturing the land and sustaining life in this corner of the world. The river's bounty has shaped the culture and economy of Jalpaiguri. We watch as fishermen cast their nets into the turbulent waters, their movements honed by generations of tradition, their livelihoods inextricably linked to the rhythm of the river. Each cast of the net is a dance with nature, a testament to human perseverance. Their weathered faces tell stories of hardship and resilience, of a deep respect for the power and unpredictability of the Teesta. These faces are the living chronicles of a life lived in harmony with the river. For the adventurous souls, the Teesta offers an exhilarating challenge: white water rafting. The river's rapids provide a thrilling playground for those seeking an adrenaline rush. We hold our breath as we navigate the rapids, the roar of the river echoing in our ears, the icy spray stinging our faces. Each rapid is a test of skill and courage, a moment of pure exhilaration. It's a thrilling ride, a test of skill and courage, and an unforgettable way to experience the raw power of this Himalayan river. The adventure leaves an indelible mark on all who dare to take it on. But the Teesta is more than just a source of adventure. It's a haven for biodiversity. The river's ecosystem supports a wide array of flora and fauna, making it a vital sanctuary for wildlife. Birdwatchers flock to its banks, their binoculars trained on the skies, hoping to catch a glimpse of the many species that call this river home. The Teesta's avian residents add to the river's vibrant tapestry of life. Chapter 4. Seasons of Splendor, Jalpaiguri's Climate. Jalpaiguri, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, enjoys a climate as diverse and enchanting as its landscape. The region experiences a temperate climate, a gentle dance between cool winters and pleasantly warm summers, making it an ideal destination for those seeking respite from the extremes of weather. As spring arrives in Jalpaiguri, the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, a vibrant tapestry of colors painting the landscape. The tea gardens, rejuvenated after the winter slumber, come alive with the bright green shoots of new growth, promising a bountiful harvest to come. Summer in Jalpaiguri is a time for adventure, a time to explore the verdant forests and cool off in the refreshing waters of the Teesta River. The sun, while warm, is tempered by a gentle breeze, making it ideal for trekking through the wildlife sanctuaries or simply relaxing amidst the tea gardens. As the monsoon season arrives, Jalpaiguri transforms into a lush green paradise. The skies open up, releasing torrents of rain that nourish the land and swell the rivers. Waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides, their thunderous roar echoing through the valleys, a testament to the raw power of nature. Chapter 5. Beyond the wilderness cultural heritage of Jalpaiguri. While the natural wonders of Jalpaiguri undoubtedly captivate the soul, it is the region's rich cultural tapestry that truly enriches the senses and leaves a lasting impression on the heart. Jalpaiguri is a melting pot of cultures, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern influences, creating a vibrant and unique identity. The city is home to a diverse population, each community contributing its own unique thread to the intricate fabric of Jalpaiguri's cultural heritage. The warmth of the Bengali people is evident in their hospitality, their smiles as welcoming as the aroma of freshly brewed tea that often greets visitors. The indigenous tribes of the region, with their deep connection to the land and its rhythms, add another layer of fascination to Jalpaiguri's cultural landscape. Their ancient customs, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into a way of life deeply intertwined with nature, a reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. The vibrant colors of Jalpaiguri are not confined to its natural beauty. They spill over into the lively markets and bustling streets. We wander through bazaars overflowing with fresh produce, spices and handicrafts, a sensory overload of sights, sounds and aromas. The rhythmic clatter of looms echoes from small workshops where skilled artisans weave intricate designs into colorful textiles, keeping alive traditions passed down through generations. As our journey through Jalpaiguri draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and appreciation for this hidden gem in the foothills of the Himalayas. From the verdant tea gardens to the wildlife sanctuaries teeming with life. From the exhilarating rapids of the Tista River to the warmth of the local people, Jalpaiguri offers a truly immersive experience. It's a destination that caters to both the adventurer seeking thrills and the peace-seeker yearning for tranquility. Whether you wish to navigate the rapids, trek through dense forests in search of elusive wildlife, or simply lose yourself in the serenity of the tea gardens, Jalpaiguri has something to offer every discerning traveler. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the natural beauty and cultural richness of Jalpaiguri. May this inspire you to embark on your own adventure to this enchanting corner of India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.